Part of the adaptation as well is obviously you guys are in the front line. You're talking to the end users. You're talking to decision makers. So, how are you noticing the flow of these decision making processes? Right? Are you seeing a lot of hold back on these? Like, for example, when cloud came into picture, everybody was hesitant, right? Everybody was scared and waited. But with AI, I feel like it's not the same. With cloud, you could wait 2-3 years, let the system itself fix itself, and then you could kind of join in. But I feel like with AI, it's not the same. If you wait a year or two, you are 2 years worth of data information behind your competitor, right? So how are you kind of engaging on those conversations with those decision makers?
What I tell people is, look at what's happened in the past. Take a look at a company like Sears, right? Sears controlled everything having to do with retail in America. It created the first catalog that was sent to everyone's home. People could pick up a phone and order anything. How did Amazon beat them? Look at Yellow Cab. Yellow Cab is a company that was prevalent. Everyone knew its name. It was the taxi company of the world. All of a sudden, Uber came in and disrupted everything. And how did it do it? Because these companies that were there and controlled the market literally settled on the idea that we're too big to fail, right? We're too big to fail. No one's really going to take us over. And what did the other companies do? What did Amazon do? What did Uber do? They looked at what people were complaining about in the model that existed, and they removed and fixed that complaint. And the same thing is happening with AI, right? Organizations that don't get involved in AI today are going to be the future Sears, are going to be the future Yellow Cab. So the idea that you can let this revolution go by and not really jump on it, yeah, you got to be careful. You don't want to suffer from FOMO, the fear of missing out. That's not what this is about. This is more about strategy. How do you utilize this as the next big break in the way that your company disrupts the industry? Rather than be disruptive, you need to be the disruptor, and AI is that tool. So yeah, absolutely. We see companies starting in two different ways, right? We see them where they create a small little project and then they feel that project maybe worked, maybe didn't work. And what they do is that they try to use AI as the solution. And AI is not the solution. The solution is really what you're trying to cure, right? What you're trying to improve. In the process, you build a series of things that get you to that goal. One of them is embedding AI. So what you really need to do is look at what the success measure is that you want to have as part of this project. And then look at how AI is embedded in it. Don't start with, I need to do an AI project. Start with, I need to fix this. Start with, I want to increase this. And then realize that just like you have a word processor, you have an ERP, you have electricity, you have the cloud, you've got AI.